The Bronson Professional Face and Body Care Massager and Exfoliation Tool. This is the tool, and here there's a button to push it on, then there's a low speed and then there's a high speed. Roller balls inside this which rolls. Simply attach it like this and it starts rotating. Then you just simply remove it. Then the second attachment you get is a sandpaper massage head, and this is to remove all the dead skin from your feet and all. In all these 5 attachments, the whole thing rotates. And the third attachment you get is soft sponge cleaning head. Then the fourth attachment you get is a brush cleaning head. It's not so soft, but you can use this on your face, but make sure you use it once or twice in a week, not every day. So the last attachment you get is also a sponge. It's called soft massager head. This is a different kind of a sponge like you use for your makeup and all. I'll be using is this. Just apply my face wash and then I'll be using this sponge. My dog, when he hears the sound, I don't know, he just gets so wild. See it lathering? You can also use it on your eyes because it's very, very soft. So now I'm just going to wash my face with water and come back. I just washed my face and wiped my face. So the second attachment I'm going to use is this exfoliation brush. So I'll be applying a scrub on my face. The brush isn't so soft, so you'll feel little harsh, that it's little harsh on your skin, and especially me, I have very dry skin and very sensitive skin. Use this once a week, I would suggest, but it does a really good job of exfoliating your face. And don't use this for more than 5 minutes, and use it very light-handedly because the brush is not that soft. So I finished with the scrubbing. Now with a wet towel, I'll remove all the scrub from my face. My skin feels so squeaky clean. Now I'll be using the third attachment, which is the face massager. And also I wanted to mention that do not put this machine in water. Take out the tool and then wash it. So I'll just be applying my favorite Wonder Gold oil from Indulgio Essentials. And now I'm going to massage my face for 15 minutes, but obviously I'm not going to show you for 15 minutes. So I'll just show how it works. So here we go. This is on high speed. And see it. I'm not rotating it, but just see it on my skin. Now the fourth attachment I'm going to use is I'm going to apply my foundation with this sponge. So let's see, I have not used this attachment for my foundation. So let's see how this works. I'll use it on low first. Wow, oh my god. It's doing a good job of applying the foundation. And if the shade is looking little light for me, I purposely bought a light shade because I had a darker shade and that really oxidized on my skin and it looked really dark. So this foundation does oxidize, so it will match my skin color afterwards. I just cleansed the sponge and from here it looks clean, but it did stain the sponge on the sides of the sponge. I washed it 4 to 5 times, but it did not come out and there was no foundation coming out, and so it does stain the sponge, but it's okay. So using the same sponge, I'll be applying this cream blusher. Oh, it's picked up so much of the product. So let me just tap it on a tissue first so that I don't get too much of it. So I'm just gonna smile. See, this is the pack highlighter and this too is a cream highlighter. That one was a cream blush. So let's see. I'm loving this sponge. I never knew this could do so many things. I never used this. This is my first time I'm using it in this video. So I'm done using this 5-in-1 body and face tool. I never use this because this is meant to be used on the feet, or you can use it on your elbows and all, and don't use this on your face. There